What's going on, everyone? Iron Engel here. Today we have very good day. There isn't something going that there isn't something that going that much on M2K, the Russell or ES, but you can see ES did this double bottom, almost hit this trend line, and then bounced back to the previous day highs near the extreme levels. We didn't trade that. Then we had the M2K blasting the extreme level. Also, I said in the pre-market preparation, just I don't like this level because it's like in the middle. It's not near the ETH high or previous day high. It's just in the middle. Then it's not by that much. And like at the open, it wasn't so hard to avoid it. You just wait for the first candle here, then you see it that past this level and it's so strong, then you just avoid that. Then the winner for the day was YM. Then the winner for the day was YM. I longed at this bottom near Anzo, the extreme level here, but I was a little bit nervous in real time once I saw this candle like not fully closing. Then like I just exited over 3R. My 3R was 380. I longed here 405, risking 60 points, which was maybe too much, I don't know, but like 40 points didn't feel good enough. Then I just gave it another like 20 point room. Then it just like based on the higher time frame, you can see how this ETH highs is compressed. Then like the target is the we are moving from level to level, but also with a correlation with the ETH high and low. Then it was compressed here. Then we don't take it at 530 or the 3R. We should take it at the upper level near the previous day high, which hit there. If I took it here, it was like 7R plus, but I can't complain. Like 3R for me is more than enough. Currently I am trying to avoid mistakes and just take the money without any risk, or just analyzing. And currently I just don't like to short here because of this low volatility on the YM. But you can see here the M2K, it blasted this upper trend line diagonal, then made this double top or lower high, but I just don't trust it that much. The first target should be like if you shorted here. In this system I don't have any level here, but if you shorted here, your target could be, let's take this indicator off, it could be 3040. something like here, something like at this zone is going to be good exit. Then you can see like YM is like has low volatility here. I don't like shorting at this flat swing high. I like to blast and get to the upper trend line, but I am done for the day. I don't trade after 11 a.m. What I am trying to do lately is having few levels, just 2 or 3 levels, and trade around it rather than having a bunch of levels like previously, which wasn't that much, despite not being that much overloaded. But I think if your levels gives you more bigger picture trades. Otherwise, you are going to be like stuck in the same small trade mentality, being afraid from each bounce, from each level, and rather than trusting the higher time frame setup. You can see here we longed here, can exit there, or take the 3R or any arbitrary target based on the system. You can long here, exit there, long here, exit there. Same thing here, long here, exit at this level, because it was the second pre-market high here or near this level, but you should have to trade it and close it at this bearish bar. You can, the same thing, short here, cover at this when it held the pre-market high. You can see here this down candle closed and respected the pre-market high or ETH high, then it just continued up to the extreme levels and rejected there. It's very, very clean system. You can see rejected there, then went down to the support zone. Here it was trending up, then it blasted the extreme level. We don't short there, we just avoid shorting, and that's it. But we can capitalize on going long at the open. You can long here, targeting the pre-market high. Pre-market high was super clean compressed level on the the ETH plus action was so compressed. Then we target previous day highs, but in this case it was like the previous day highs. You can see here they are equal almost. Previous two day highs were equal, then it means it compressed. Then we can go to the upper target, knowing it going to go externally from the range. Let's write that. Is previous 2 days is equal